Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to delete a Facebook account. If you have made your decision clear that you want to delete your Facebook account for privacy reason or maybe for any other reason, then I'll show you how it could be possible. So first you have to make sure you have the Facebook app and then simply click onto its icon to open it. Once this page gets open, then you will see the three lines on the top right. You have to click onto these three lines and then you will see the settings icon at the top right. You have to click onto it. Then you will see this first section which is for account center. It has multiple options. You have to click onto it. Then you have to scroll down a bit. You will see this option personal details. Click onto it. Then you have to click onto this last option account ownership and control. Once you tap onto it, then you will see this option deactivation and deletion. Click onto it, and after that it will show you all of your accounts. You have to click onto the one that you want to delete. If you have multiple profiles on Facebook, then it will show you them, so just simply choose the one that you want to delete. Then you will see the two options, one for account deactivation and one for account delete. You have to select the second option, but first you may read whatever written is there because it may cause any effect on your data of your account. Then after that you have to click on continue, and then it will show you different options like why you are deleting your account, so choose the one that you prefer. Then after that it will show you some of the valuable information related to account deletion. You read it, click on continue. Then after that it will again show you some of the information. You can read it. This tells you that if you delete your account, what will happen to your data and how you can save that data. So once you have read it, okay, click on continue, and then you have to enter your password of Facebook. Once you enter it, then you will get back to this login and sign up page. That means your account has been successfully deleted. So that's how you can delete your Facebook account. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.